Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Step Up Code, and in this session I'm going to teach you how to create downloadable button by using CSS. But before getting started, I want to tell you a very simple thing. I want to remind you a very important thing, that is, if you want to get more notification, more videos from our channel, then don't forget to share our videos and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon just right beside it. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's start. So before designing the button, I just want you people take a look on it. See, this is a MongoDB website, and here I want you people should focus on this particular downloadable button. So in the similar way, I'm going to create this downloadable button. Okay, there are so many kinds of downloadable buttons available. As you know, whenever we are going to download any kind of specific software, so in each and every website this kind of buttons are present there. So basically, what is the function of this particular button? Whenever I'm going to click on it, we are going to download that particular software. So the way designing is looking like here, in the similar way, maybe I'm going to change the style a little bit, but the same thing I'm going to create here and you people will see it. So go to Notepad++, this is our text editor. So first let's create the button. After that we are going to design it. So first let me choose the language by pressing Alt L and choose H, and the language is HTML, as we all know. Next, doc type declaration, doc type HTML. After that, head, inside head tag, under head tag we have to write the title tag. And what should be the title of this particular web page? Let me give a suitable title, as we are creating downloadable button. So let me give the title download button by using CSS. Next, style tag, because after creating the button we have to style it. So the entire CSS coding will be present inside this style tag. So let me write the style tag first, and after that head tag will be closed, then body tag will start and body tag will be closed right here, and finally the HTML tag will be closed. Let me save it. Where I'm going to save it? See, I want to save it on desktop, as I have created a folder as named new folder. So let me give a suitable name of this particular file, button.html. okay, so first let me create the button. So in order to embed the button into our HTML page, we have to use button tag. Button tag is not present in the older version of HTML. It's present in the newer version. So that's why I have used this doc type declaration here. As why I have used it here, because whenever I'm going to work with any kind of HTML5 tags or its corresponding attributes, then this doc type declaration will help us to recognize. Okay, so button, after that class, let me give a suitable class name, that is button in this case. And after that, what will be the content of the button? The content will be download. Very simple. And after that, button tag will be closed. Okay, save it. First let me run it on the browser. Just check what is the output. So this is the new folder. Double click on it, right click on this particular file, open with Google Chrome. See, this is the button I have already created. So the next thing is, our next target is, I have to design it the way we have seen in MongoDB website. So in the same way, maybe I'm going to change the style, but In the similar way, I am going to apply some style, on this particular button. Okay, so let's apply some style. So in order to apply some style, I have to write the CSS code inside this style tag, because as we know, whenever we are going to code CSS properties inside style tag, so that means I am using here internal CSS. Okay, so first here I have created a class named button. So let me use this button here. So in order to indicate class, we have to use dot sign, then btn, and inside it I am going to code CSS coding here. So first one is width. What will be the width of this particular button? Let me give 200 px. Okay, then height will be 45 px. You can give any kind of value, that depends on your choice, that if you want to increase the height of the button, then definitely you can give more than 45 px. But here in this case I have given 45 px because I want to generate that particular height, that much of height. Okay, so next one is background. What will be the background color? Let me put gray. Next, what will be the font size? Font size attribute is used to increase or decrease the size of the text or size of the font. So let me give you 15 px. Okay, just save and look at it on browser, refresh it, see. Okay, next we have to give more CSS properties to make it more attractive. So how to do it? So the color of the text will be red. Okay, let me give the border will be 3px solid. This is the style of the border, means the type, and the color of the border is red. Okay, save and let's run it, see. Okay, let me zoom it a little bit so that you people will be seeing it clearly. Next, okay, border radius property. Border radius, what is the function of this particular property? It basically helps to curve each and every corner of this box, of this button. Okay, how? Let me give 20 px, save it and run it. See, if I want to curve a little bit of each and every corner of this button, then we have to use this border radius property. And next is, okay, let me put a specific style on the font, and that is I'm going to do by using font family Lucida calligraphy. Okay, save and run it, see. If you want to increase the size of the font a little bit, then you can do it. Let me give it 20 px. Yes. Okay, next let me add one more CSS property, that is padding. Let me put the padding will be 6 px. Okay, okay, next thing is I'm going to use the same class button, and then I'm going to use this hover effect. Okay, so what is the importance of this particular hover effect? What is hover effect? I have already shown you in my previous videos that what is the actual function of hover. Whenever I'm going to declare anything as hover, so that means the moment I'm going to place the mouse pointer on that particular object, so you will get to see some kind of changes. Okay, so what kind of changes? Let's see, try to do it. So background will be white, sorry, no, background will be black and color of the text will be white. Okay, let me, it will be white and color will be black. Okay, then save and run it. Now see the result. See, this is the hover effect, as I told you. So whenever I'm going to place the mouse pointer on this button, you are seeing that the background and the font color is getting changed here. Okay, so this is the hover effect. Next, now what I'm going to do, the remaining thing is I have to put a downloadable sign here. There is a downloadable icon available, and that is I'm going to do by using Font Awesome icon. Okay, CSS gives us an extraordinary feature, that is Font Awesome icon. By using that particular icon, we can place it inside this button to make it look more attractive. Okay, so how to do that, how to bring that Font Awesome icon? It's very easy. Just type here CSS Font Awesome icon. Okay, the first link you have to click. Let's check. Okay, don't go here. Let me choose. Okay, get started with Font Awesome. W3 School. Okay, so this is the link. See, link rel style sheet, and this is the link that we have to put if I want to embed that particular downloadable icon just inside our download button. Okay, so what I'm going to do, let me select it here, copy and paste it. So now the question is where I'm going to paste it. Here, paste. Okay, and make sure that whenever you are going to work with any kind of Font Awesome icon, then internet connection should be there in your PC, because without internet connection we won't be able to get that particular Font Awesome icon. Okay, wherever we want it. Next is I have to put just go to downloadable button. Is it here? No. So just do one thing. Then you have to put class, and we are going to mention the class name is car. They have brought here the car, so that's why the class will be car. But as I'm going to bring the download icon here, so our class name should be download. Okay, so class download. Okay, next I'm going to close the I tag, and we have to apply some style on that particular icon. So the font size will be 20px, and margin right 5px. Save. Just have a look what happens. Download spelling is wrong. Save. See, the download icon has come here. Okay, so in this way we can easily work with any kind of Font Awesome icon. Okay, so This is a demo of how to create downloadable button. So different kinds of downloadable button you can also create. So just try it. Go to visit different kinds of website. You will get to see more kinds of downloadable button and try to make it. Hopefully you people have understood and enjoyed today's session. In my next video, I will show you something new, some new features in CSS. So till then, goodbye.